Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to change your eye color in Photoshop. Without further ado, let's get started. Now first, go to this one. And then select the solid color. Now change the color that you want. After that, click OK. And then change it from normal to color. Now, select this. And then press Ctrl I. And then make sure that the top of our foreground is white. Now select your brush tool and brush the pupils of the eyes of your object. And then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.